What's up, folks? Today we're doing three-digit multiplication with regrouping. Let's get started. Okay, let's say I have 759 times 2. Now you're probably thinking, whoa, this guy's gotten off to a crazy big start. That's okay. Let's first do 2 times 9. What's 2 times 9? Well, hopefully you remember. 2 times 9, if you don't remember, go ahead, watch the 2 times table video. But if you do remember, 2 times 9 is 18. So we can write 18. Or can we? We can't, because we still have more to do. We got 2 times 5, right? So because we got to do 2 times 5, remember, this 1 is taking up someone else's spot. So we got to take him out. So let me request the desktop page site. And now let's get back at it. Where is my maths? And my maths is lost. Okay, we'll do it again. So we have 759 times 2. So we remember that 2 times 9 is equal to 18, but I can't write it like 18 like this because this 1 is taking up someone else's spot. So I'm going to take him out, move him to the 3rd floor, and he's going to be on top of the 5 right there. So now when I do 2 times 5, well, what's 2 times 5? You remember? If you don't, go ahead and watch the 2 times table video. If you do remember, 2 times 5 is 10. So 10 plus this 1, that's going to give me 11. But wait, this 1 is taking up someone else's spot, right? So I got to take him out, put him right here on the top, and now I can do 2 times 7. So 2 times 7 is 14, right? 2 times 7 is 14. Add this 1, we get 15. And so the answer is 759 times 2 is equal to 1518. Okay, one example again, 5 million more left to go. Let's say I have 167 multiplied by 3. Now let's do it. Let's see. So first things first, I'm going to do 3 times 7. 3 times 7. That's going to give me 21. Now, I'm going to put the 21 like this. But look what happens. When I try to do 3 times 6, well, what's 3 times 6? That's 18. But if I try to write 18 here, look what happens. I'm writing over my 2. So that's 2 is blocking my 8. So I gotta move this 2. So it's all the way up here. Okay? So now, since 3 times 6 is 18, I'm going to add that 18 to this 2, and I'll get 20. But we got more to go. We got to do 3. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. We got more to go. We got to do 3 times 1. So this 2 is blocking someone else's spot. So let's take him out, put him right on the top. Now we can do 3 times 1 is 3, plus this 2 is going to give me 5. So 167 times 3 is 501. Whoa, 501. Okay, well, let's do some more. Let's do some more. So let's say I have 195 times 3. So first things first, let's use a different color this time. 3 times 5. Well, what's 3 times 5? If you don't remember, watch the 3 times table video. But if you do remember, 3 times 5 is 15. So I can do this, 15. But this 15, this 1 over here, is blocking someone else's spot. So take him out, put him on the 3rd floor, and now do 3 times 9. Well, 3 times 9, if you don't remember, watch the 3 times table video. But if you do remember, it's 27. So this 27 plus this 1, whoa, that went wrong real fast. This 27 plus this 1 is going to give us 28. But this 2 is blocking someone because we got more to do. Folks. So we're going to take this 2 out, put him right on the top, and now we can do 3 times 1. See that? We can do 3 times 1. Well, what's 3 times 1? Remember, anything times 1 is that thing. So 3 times 1 is 3. But don't forget to add this 2. So 3 plus 2 gives us 5. And so 195 times 3 is equal to 585. Let's do some more. Let's say I have 526. Let's move on to some bigger numbers. Let's say I have 32. And now check it out. First I'm going to do 2 times 6. Let's start with green. 2 times 6. What's 2 times 6? Do you remember 2 times 6? If you don't, go ahead, watch the 2 times table video. So 2 times 6 is 12. And so we can write 12, carry over the 1, right? Regroup the 1. And now do 2 times 2. Well, what's 2 times 2? If you don't remember, watch the 2 times table video. But if you do remember, 2 times 2 is 4. Add this 4 to this 1, and we're going to get 5. Now do 2 times 5. Well, what's 2 times 5? That's going to be 10. So we can just write 10 because we don't have any more left to do over here. Now we're moving on to the 3. Don't forget we have a 3 over here. So we got to multiply all these numbers on the top by this 3. So let's do that. So I'm going to put a jiggly mark here because that's some space we don't need. Now 3 times 6. 3 times 6. What is 3 times 6? What is 3 times 6? Well, 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to put the last digit, right? Because I know I have more to go. I'm not going to put the 1 here because I know I have more multiplication left. 3 times 2. So I'm just going to carry over the 1 here. 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2? If you don't remember, watch the 3 times table video. But if you do remember, 3 times 2 is 6. Don't forget to add this 1. And so 6 plus 1 gives us 7. Now 3 times 5 gives us 15. Now we can add all of this bajinga up. So this bajingo right here, you can treat that as a 0. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry over the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 5 is 6. Just put this 1 here. And so we have just calculated that 500. All right, folks, let's do some more. So let's say I have 714 multiplied by 23. Okay, so 3 times 4. Let's do 3 times 4. 3 times 4, what's 3 times 4? That's going to be 12. I know I have more multiplication left to do with this 3. So I'm going to just put my 2 here. And I'm going to put my 1 over here. Right? Remember, I can't put the 1 here because then it's going to be blocking the next number. Now 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is going to be 3. But now, don't forget to add this 1 over here. So 3 plus 1, well, that's going to give us 4. Okay, now do 3 times 7. 3 times 7, what is that? That's going to give us 21. So we're done with the 3, so we can just write the whole number, 21. Next line, next line, next line, next line. That's the bajinga over there. Now let's do 2. We're moving on to the 2. We leveled up. So what's 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is 8. We can write 8. What's 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is going to be 2. We can write 2. And finally, 2 times 7. What's 2 times 7? That's going to be 14. So we can write 14. Now add all of this up. And what do we get? Well, 2 plus the bajingo is just 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. Put the 1 over here. 1 plus 1 plus 2, that's going to be 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. And put the leftover 1. And now we have just found out that 714 times 23 is 16,422. Let's do some more. Let's say I have 999. This is the one all the kids like, times 999. So how am I going to do that? Let's start with this 9, okay? So let's do 9 times 9 here. So this 9 times that 9 is going to give us, well, what's 9 times 9? If you don't remember, watch the 9 times table video. But if you do remember, 9 times 9 is 81. So we can write 81, but don't forget, this 8 is blocking someone else. So we got to take this 8 up the elevator, take him out to the 3rd floor, and now let's do the next one. 9 times this 9. Well, 9 times that 9, that's again going to be 81. But don't forget to add this 8. Huck on that 8 onto this 81. So that's going to give us 81 plus 8, or 89. But don't forget, this 8 is blocking someone, so take him up. And so now we're going to do 9 times this 9. 9 times that 9, again, that's 81. Don't forget to add this 8. That gives us 89. Okay, we're moving on to the next 9, this orange 9. So let's do 9 times 9. Don't forget to put the bajingo. 9 times 9 is 81. We can write 81, but don't forget this 8 is blocking someone, so we're going to put it right here. Okay, so pay attention only to the orange. 9 times this 9, well, that's again going to be 81. So this 81 plus this leftover 8, that's going to give us 89. But don't forget, this 8 is taking up someone else's spot. So we're going to move him up here, and we're going to do 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 again is 81. Add this 8, that's going to give us 89. Okay, finally, the last 9 has arrived. So put 2 bajingos, since this one is 2 spots away from here. 1, 2. And so now we can do the math. Okay, we can do the math. Let me go ahead and erase all of these weird looking arrows because they can indeed be confusing. Let me go ahead and erase all of them. Can we erase this big orange one? Yep, gone. Now we can only we can just focus on the blue. So 9 times 9. Well, what's 9 times 9? That's 81. So we can write 81, but don't forget this 8 is blocking someone, so we're going to put him on the next guy. Next guy, 9 times 9. Well, what's 9 times 9? That's 81. And don't forget to add this 8. That's going to give us 89. But don't forget, this 8 is blocking someone. We got more multiplication to do. So bring him all the way here. And now let's hop over to the final 9. So 9 times 9 is going to give us 81. Add this 8 to give us 89. Wow, that's a lot of multiplication. Now we can add this up. So down, okay, I'm going to use this color. So down this column, I have 1 plus 0 plus 0, that's 1. Down this column, I have 9 plus 1, that's 10. Put the 0 there, put the 1 here. Down this column, I have 1 plus 9, which is 10, plus 9, which is 19, plus 1, which is 20. Put the 0, carry over the 2. On this column, I have 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 9 is 28. Okay. So it looks like we're getting somewhere. Now 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 9 is 19. Okay. And the last column, whoa. So last column, we have 1 plus 8, which is 9. And so we have resolved. Oh, wow. This thing just shut down on me. Well, you saw the answer, folks. Thanks for watching this episode of Math. If you need any more help, go ahead, comment down below. We'll check you out next time.